Of a market share website into a Power BI. So this is our Power BI. What we will do, we will go here and we will click on the web. So from here, from web, we will take this table, which is London Stock Exchange. I will just copy this link. I will paste it here and I will click OK. And I will click connect. Now it's connecting, establishing a connection between the site and the Power BI. So let it connect. Now it has made this connection and it will show us all the tables that are available into that website. So let's check. See, there are multiple tables into the website. We have to check which table we need to take. Currency, mid cap, price, higher. So this is the table we will be taking. We will be clicking load and then the table will get load here. And then we can make whatever visual we want to make, like the name and the current prices. So let it load and then we can make a small table just to check if everything is okay or not. I will create a table and I will put let's say a name, and then I will put prices, right? Prices here, not here, but here. Yeah, so this is how you extract the data. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.